Joe, come on, let's go sit down for a little bit, man. Come on, dude. Go sit on the couch for a minute, man. What are you doing, making a blizzard? What do you got going on over here, man? What is that? Come on, man. Let's just go fucking sit down for a second, man. Talk about it. Oh, fuck, dude. Will you at least make me a fucking blizzard, dude? Will you at least make me... Can I have a taste? Can I have a taste of that, man? Please? So it's like that, huh? So it's like that. Is that how we're gonna deal with this? What the hell's in there, by the way, man? Is that Snickers?